Hi everyone! If you're dealing with a urinary tract infection or simply want to support your urinary health, the foods you choose can make a real difference. While no single food cures a UTI, a diet rich in anti-inflammatory, immune-boosting, and gut-supporting nutrients helps your body fight infections more efficiently and may reduce the risk of recurrent episodes. Many people don't realize that what you eat can influence your bladder and kidney health. Foods high in fiber encourage regular bowel movements and may relieve bladder pressure, while probiotic-rich options like yogurt supply beneficial bacteria that compete against infection-causing microbes. Today, we're focusing on a surprising hero, peanut butter. This creamy, versatile spread is packed with nutrients, healthy fats, antioxidants, vitamins, minerals, and fiber that support circulation, reduce inflammation, and strengthen your immune system when chosen wisely. First up, phenolic compounds. Peanut butter contains plant antioxidants like p-coumaric acid and resveratrol, which neutralize free radicals and calm inflammation throughout the body. Research suggests these compounds may also boost blood flow to the urinary tract, helping deliver immune cells where they're needed most. Peanut butter also delivers a powerhouse of vitamins and minerals. Vitamin E, a potent antioxidant that shields cells from damage. Don't forget fiber. A serving of peanut butter contains both soluble and insoluble fiber, which feed beneficial gut bacteria and support regular digestion. A healthy gut microbiome can reduce harmful bacterial overgrowth and lower the chance of bad bacteria migrating up to your urinary tract. Peanut butter's anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties further support UTI recovery. Its antioxidants and healthy fats help calm inflammation in the urinary tract, and some compounds have mild antimicrobial effects that bolster your body's defenses. While peanut butter won't directly kill bacteria, it creates a more hostile environment for infection. You might worry about aflatoxins, toxins produced by certain molds on peanuts. The good news is that reputable brands, especially in regions with strict food safety standards, test and control aflatoxin levels rigorously. To minimize risk, buy from trusted manufacturers and look for quality certifications. Here's how to pick the best peanut butter. Minimal ingredients, ideally just peanuts, and maybe salt. No hydrogenated oils or trans fats. These drive inflammation. No added sugars. Choose natural or unsweetened varieties. Organic or non-GMO options when available for fewer pesticides. Airtight packaging to prevent moisture and mold. Wondering how to include peanut butter in a UTI-friendly diet? Try these meal ideas. Breakfast oatmeal topped with a spoonful of natural peanut butter, fresh berries, and a sprinkle of flax seeds. In summary, peanut butter isn't a cure for UTIs, but it's a nutrient-dense, anti-inflammatory, and immune-supporting food you can enjoy in moderation. Always choose high-quality, additive-free varieties, and consult your healthcare provider before making major dietary changes. Here's to happier, healthier urinary tracts. And yes, you can still enjoy peanut butter along the way. For a deeper dive, check out our full article, Peanut Butter and UTIs. A healthy choice or a risky one? Over at www.treatut.com.